Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox to the Xbox app so you can use features like Remote Play. So if it's not working, we can go up to Settings right here and select this and go on down to where it says Devices and Connections and then go to Remote Features. Now make sure where it says Enable Remote Features, this is selected and turn on, otherwise this won't work. Then you can go on over to your phone and then go to the Xbox app. You can get this through the store on your iPhone or your Android device, and then log in. Now, if it's not working, make sure you close the Xbox app and then reopen it. Otherwise, you could try signing out and signing back in. So just close this down and then go back to it and relaunch it. Then also make sure you're connected to the same network. So on my phone, I have to scroll on down from the top and go here. And I have multiple different routers at my house. So just make sure you're connected to the same network as your Xbox is connected to. So Miss Beast. And then I can go back to the app. Now in the top right, go to the little Xbox symbol right here and select it. And then go through the process to set up your console. Now mine is already connected, so I can just go to Remote Play on this device, but we can go to Set up a console, then Add Existing, or set up a new one, and it'll show a bunch of codes on your screen. So you can go to Add Existing, go to Next, and it says turn on your console and sign in with your account. So make sure your account's signed in the background, and then it should pop up for you at some point. Now mine's already connected, so it's not going to pop up for me. As you can see, I can just go to Remote Play on this device and select this, and this should pop up on my screen now. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just waiting for this to load, and there's my Xbox on my TV screen or my phone. So it works. You can start using the different features. You can see all the different buttons on the screen. And to disconnect, just go over here. And then there should be an option on here to disconnect or mute your microphone. So very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.